Welcome back to in this new video. Today's topic is NCA exam cycles explained. Okay, so let's start with something many students underestimate NCA exam cycle planning. Most students focus only on studying, but in reality, your planning strategy is just important as your preparation. NCA exam are conducted in multiple cycles throughout the year, and you are given flexibility to decide which subject you want to attempt and how many exams you want to take in each cycle. Now, this flexibility sounds great, but it can also become a problem if you don't plan properly. Many students either overload themselves or delay attempts unnecessarily. As a result, stress increase, preparation quality drop, and the overall qualification process becomes much longer. So, understanding exam cycle is not just an administrative knowledge; it is a strategic advantage. Now, let's understand how the NCA exam cycle system actually work. Typically, NCA conducts exam multiple times throughout the year. Become each cycle registration open for a limited period. The process usually looks like this. First, the registration window opens. Second, you select your subject. Third, you prepare during the study period, and finally, you appear for the exam on scheduled date. Now, here's a practical reality many students ignore. Missing a registration deadline can delay your journey by several months. That's why experienced students usually start preparing even before registration opens. Good planning creates flexibility, poor planning create unnecessary delays. One common question student ask is how many attempt do I get for NCA exam? Generally NCA allow multiple attempt for students, but this is where mindset become important. Many students become careless because they assume if I fail I can always reattempt later. But every reattempt has a cost, more exam fees, more preparation time, more pressure, and often loss of confidence. The smartest approach is not planning for reattempts. The smartest approach is preparing seriously for the first attempt. And here's an important insight: passing favor subject consistently in far better than failing many subjects together. Now let's talk about how to choose the right exam cycle strategically. The wrong approach is emotional planning. For example, some students see other taking many subjects and copy the same strategy without considering their own situation. That usually creates problems. That the right approach is personal planning. You should decide your cycle based on your work schedule, your available study time, so subject difficulty, and your answer writing red lines. For example, a working professional may perform better with a lighter load. A full-time student with strong study discipline may handle more. So don't compare your timeline with other. Your strategy should fit your lifestyle and preparation capacity. Now comes the most important practical question. How many subjects should you take in one cycle? For most beginner, the safest and smartest strategy is 2 to 3 subjects per cycle. Why? Because your first few exam are not only testing knowledge, they are also helping you understand the NCA pattern itself. Once you gain confidence and improve writing speed, you can gradually increase your subject load. Now here's the mistake many students make: the row overload themselves with five or more subject in the first cycle. The result: weak revision, poor writing quality, burnout, and sometimes multiple failures. Remember this clearly: clearing three subjects successfully is much better than failing five. NCA is a marathon, not a sprint. Now let's discuss how some students complete NCA much faster than others. The fastest students are usually not the smartest student. They are simply the most consistent and strategic. They follow a fixed study schedule, regular writing practice, and long-term cycle planning. Now, realistically, fast track student may complete ENCA within 8 to 12 months, but many students take 1.5 to 3 years. Why? Because of delay, fear of attempting exam, poor planning, or inconsistent preparation. So, the real key is not studying aggressively for a short time. The real key is study momentum over multiple cycle. Let's now discuss the most common mistakes students make while planning NCA cycle. The first mistake is taking too many difficult subjects together. The second mistake is re-registering without proper preparation. Another major issue is ignoring answer writing practice. Students read a lot, but they don't practice writing under exam condition. Many students also miss registration deadline or take long break between exam cycle. All of this increase stress and extends the qualification timeline. So the goal should always be momentum, build progress cycle by cycle consistently. Now let's make the this n- now let's make this interactive. Here's today's MCQ question for you. What is the smartest strategy for NCA beginner? Option 1: take minimum subject in the first cycle. Option B: focus only on reading theory. Option 3: start with 2 to 3 subject and build gradually. Option D: skip writing practice because exam are open book. Now comment your answer below. If your answer is correct, I will personally like your comment. Also tell me how many NCS subject you currently have. I am really curious to know where you are in your NCA journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thousands of lawyers and law graduates dream of becoming a licensed lawyer in Canada. They want to practice in Canadian court, work as a solicitor or barrister, build an international legal career. People from countries like India, Philippines, Singapore, Australia, UK, Europe, and many more apply through the NCA pathway. But here's the reality: most students waste months of time, thousands of dollars in reattempt fees, and a lot of energy because they don't understand how NCA exam actually work. NCA stand for the National Committee on Accreditation. If you complete your law degree outside Canada and want to become a licensed lawyer in Canada, you usually need to complete the NCA process. NCA process includes subject like constitution law, criminal law, administrative law, professional responsibility, foundation of Canadian law, and sometime additional subject depending on your profile. One of the biggest benefit of NCA is that you can build an international legal career and even become a dual licensed lawyer. Our NCA exam preparation program is designed to help students prepare strategically and confidently. Here's what you will get inside the course: 100-hour plus live sessions, weekends live classes, 6 to 8 hour weekly interactive sessions, complete study material, recorded lectures, access IRAC answer writing training, past paper solving, mock test and evaluation, personalized strategy, and mentorship. We don't just teach law, we teach how to think like a Canadian legal professional, how to write high scoring answers, how to approach open book exam properly, how to avoid common mistake like cause failure. Our goal is simple: reduce confusion, improve exam performance, help student avoid unnecessary reattempts. If you are serious about becoming a lawyer in Canada, start with proper strategy and structured preparation from day one. Registration deadline is 30 May. Class start from 15 June. Registration link is available description and comment box. Check the description and comment box for registration.